Wait, always my hope was been here for 20 years.
I thought they were going to just do a part of it. They ended up
And
buying the whole thing, but
they're
then they come up with.
gonna do the fucking dumbass soccer stadium and a bunch of
That's
parks.
so sad. Why?
It's stupid, because there's no open spaces left in Miami. That was a beautiful golf
I'm not
course.
sure. Offers is bad. I have to look at it.
Wait, it's super expensive. Golf is expensive. So my connection over there, and Alex, has played with me there before as well. It's now the summer, it's $100 to play. I give it $40.
New York. Have you been to the course in April?
I've been to a lot of courses. Yeah, there's over 200 golf courses in Naples and Fort Myers because they like their properties. Yeah, we used to do that. We thought it was good. I've been playing with the same group for 20 years. Very good. And we have about 9 or 10 of us. So we interchange some weekends we don't play, some can't. But yeah, Alex has come with me, man. We've had a great time. It's just, I tell my amigos, it's 4 hours, 4.5 hours, and I get to shake everything out of my life. And this one, it's a little ball, I have a shot, but that's, again, again. That is why. So do I. So whatever we have, it's a workout. I have a little bit of space, that's our office. I have, and then you enjoy whoever wants to come, and have a place to stay. All this, I don't know about. And I'm not afraid of it. I'm really happy as well. I'm extremely happy. Listen, you guys are great people, but for me, like I said, it's, people with every relationship.
So these board meetings are those.
We enjoy it. We have fun. We're always out, there's times that it's funny, I tell her,